Hello everyone, this is Saurav and today I will show you the third part of data analytics series. In this I will explain you AWS Glue Databrew. So AWS Glue Databrew is basically a visual data preparation tool and that can be used to clean and normalize your data for the analytics purpose. So in this you can prepare your data using a pre-built 250 transformations task, and that is without writing a single line of code. And after your data is clean, you can use immediately for the analytics purpose or ML projects. And in this data view, you can evaluate the quality of your data by profiling to understand data patterns and detect anomalies. Connect data directly from your data lake, data warehouse, and databases. You can clean, normalize, map data lineage. These are the capabilities, and even you can automate the data cleaning process and normalization tasks. Now let me show you how to do this in AWS. So I will take you to the AWS console. Okay. So now you open the AWS console and then type here Databrew. Just click on AWS Glue Databrew. Then there are 5 options: datasets, projects, recipes, data quality rules, and jobs. Okay. Now go to the AWS console and type Databrew. So there is few things like datasets, projects, recipes, data quality rules, and jobs. So just click on datasets. So here you can basically create the datasets and give the location of your data stored in S3 bucket. So just type S3. And in S3 I have a bucket that is here, and in data files I have created a customer and sales folder where I have stored the files. So you just have to select the you can create the dataset. Just click on the new dataset, give the name of dataset and give the location, S3 bucket location. If you click on this, it will automatically come. Otherwise, it will also show you the bucket you have already created in your S3. You can select this bucket or whichever where you have stored your file, and then select the file type. What type of file you have stored for data, that is CSV, JSON, Parquet, Excel, or ORC. You just click on CSV. Okay. And after that, you can create the new connection. So I have already created, so I am not creating again, but I can show you the, just click on this and you can see that all the things are the data set name, data size, data source location. You have selected the data source S3, but this is the location, and this is the data preview. You can see Similarly, in go to the customer, I have uploaded the customer file, customer CSV, and you can see the preview. Okay, so you can see that in address field there are many special characters like less than, greater than sign, ampersand. So you can clean this column using the Databrew, or you can change the format of date of birth column. Then click on the projects. Here you can create the project of your transformation. From recipe, you can create the recipe or upload the already created recipe. And that recipe can also be used in ETL job in data AWS Glue. Here you can create the data quality rule set, like if you want to remove the duplicate rows and others rule, so that if any suppose in sales quantity you want to ignore the quantity, you want to ignore the rows which have a zero quantity. So these type of the rules you can set here, and this is the jobs. You can create the job and automate them. So basically this is the schedule. You can schedule it at particular time, that will job will run and transform your data. So the most important thing, the recipe. I am just creating the recipe. So for this, you go to the projects and create the project, give the project name, test project. It will automatically attach the recipe. So you can give the name of the recipe, or here is option, you can edit existing recipe. So my data set, I am just taking the data customer. You can give the tags and choose the role. I have already created the role, otherwise you can click on this, create new role, it will automatically create a new role. Then click on the create project. So you can see that your project is created. Here you can see that project is created. Just click on the project, and here you can see the recipe 0. You can build your recipe, click on add steps. So there are many already predefined tasks which you can use and select. So first you can see that your session will be ready soon, preparing data frame. So just wait for a few minutes. It will show you the preview, and after when your sample is ready, you can start your transformation of data. Now you can see that it is completed, and you can see the data is coming here. Now if you can start creating your recipe. So just first I am showing you the few steps so that you can learn how to do this. So suppose this is the prefix, and this is the first name, middle name, last name. You want to combine them and keep into one column, then just click on the okay. So suppose you want to change the date of birth format, just select the column and click on the format. Go to the data type format, and suppose you want to select this, you can this, and then click on the apply. Okay, now you can see that this has been applied. So this has been the first step of the recipe. Again, if you want to Suppose you want to clean the data, then click on the address, click on the clean, remove special characters from the address, and what are the characters you want to remove, just uh, you can give what are the special character, like less than, greater than sign, and ampersand, then click on the apply. So you can see this, you can see that now it is clean, data is clean. So just click on the recipe, you can see that you have added 2 steps. Now if you want to further, suppose you want to split the country name from this, and the area, zip code or pin code from the area field, then you can also split them, and then click on the split, use a single delimiter, click on. So delimiter is basically space and number of times to split 4, and then click on the apply. You can give the space because it is showing the space, so you can just click on the apply. Okay, now you can see that it has separated your address. So in this way you can create the recipe. You can go to the recipe and you can then just click on the publish. Click on the publish, and after that you can see, go to the recipe and you can see that recipe is created. Another is a data quality rule set. You just click on the create, give the rule set name, rule 1, browse data set. Suppose you have selected the sales, click on choose. So here the data, there are many predefined checks are already there. You can select them. You can create your own rule success criteria mate. Rule 1, suppose you can see the associated rule set. There you can see there it will show you the recommendation. So just like the check dataset for duplicate rows. So just you can select this and click on the add to rule set, and this rule is added. And then click on the create rule set. So this rule set is created. So whenever you upload the sales table, it will check that if there is any duplicate row, it will remove. From here you can create the jobs. Give the job name, create a job recipe, or you can select the recipe which is already created, and then here is the option to schedule the job that you can schedule it from there. So in this way you can using DataBrew you can normalize your data, you can clean your data, and you can use in your analytics process or ML task. So that's it from this video, and please subscribe my channel to keep updated with the latest and upcoming videos. Thank you guys.